Z12 fully automatic intelligent lock. It has diverse unlocking methods, and the appearance is simple and fashionable. Facial unlocking, fingerprint unlocking, password unlocking, Palmer vein unlocking, remote unlocking, capture video footage, manual quick opening handle, one-click lock closure, one-click indoor unlocking. Our factory specializes in producing smart locks. This is our production workshop, where products are assembled and produced. Each product undergoes strict quality inspection before sales. We are committed to providing users with higher quality products and a more convenient experience.